Brad Young at MarineMax, Fort Walton Beach, Florida. Today we're here to talk about a 2014 210 Angler by NauticStar. This is a consignment boat that we just got in. It is now for sale. One thing I'd like to point out, this is a tri-hull boat, which is perfect for slight to moderate chop in the bay. It will get on top of it and just go plow right through it. The trailer is included. As we walk around, you will notice this boat has a Yamaha 150 motor on it that has approximately 181 hours, and it also has a swim platform for getting on and off the boat when you're at the sandbar or at the beach. So step aboard and let's see some of the amenities this boat has to offer. And as we step aboard this 2014 210 Angler, you'll notice that there are 3 jump seats in the back. We do have a flip-flop seat with a cooler where you can store your drinks as you're underway. Notice that this boat is equipped with a Lowrance 5-inch display. It does have a Pioneer radio system, all your gauges. And as we walk forward, we have a live well in the front. And then in storage, we have a storage hatch for a 5-gallon bucket where you can keep your bait net if you're going to do live bait fishing. Then we got lockers up front for storage on both sides, anchor compartment, and we also have a seat mount if you want to get an additional fishing seat for the front of the boat. This is Captain Brad Young at MarineMax Fort Walton Beach. My phone number is 850-420-1802. If you'd like to come and take a test ride, just give me a call. Thanks.